Hello students, in today's video of Python, let us learn about sets. Before I proceed with set, first of all, what is the definition of set? Set is a well-defined collection of objects. Repetition is not allowed in a set. You can't repeat the element inside the set. We will check this content inside programming also. Elements are unordered while we display the sets. Set is always written in curly brackets. As far as previous videos are there, in tuples, we write the elements in a round bracket, and in list, we write the element in square bracket. Similarly, if we have to write the elements of the set, we have to use curly brackets. Set is mutable. Now, what is the meaning of mutable? We can add or delete elements in a set. Next one is union. What is the meaning of union? Representation of two or more sets in a single set. Condition is that repetition is not allowed. You have to write all the elements from two sets or three sets or more than these, but repetition is not allowed in the set. Next one is intersection. Intersection is representation of the common elements only. But if there is no element common, then the sets are known as disjoint sets. In today's video, we will learn declaration, how to declare the set, how to add elements in the set, how to check whether it's a set or not, use of in and not in operator, how to delete element from a set, how to copy all the elements of one set into another set, how to delete all the elements from the set. Let us start. Suppose A is a set. Suppose we declare A as a set, and if we have to add any element, you can write a dot add. Suppose I write 1, a dot add. Suppose I write 3, a dot add 7, a dot add 21, a dot add 11. You can enter any number of elements using a dot add or add function. Now print set A. Let us execute the program. You can see here the elements of set A. These elements are 1, 3, 7, 11 and 21. It's hard to declare a set and how to add elements in a set. Now third one is how to check whether it's a set or not. You can write here print type A. Now what is the meaning of type? Type is basically a function inside Python to check whether it's a set or not. Class, it's a set. You can represent the content, or you can check whether these elements lie inside the set or not. Suppose I write here a dot add again 11, then execute the program. 11 is not repeated in the set. 1, 3, 7, 11 and 21 class is a set, means repetition of elements is not allowed. If you have to add negative element, suppose -1, execute the program, you can add -1 also. negative, positive, decimal values. Suppose I add a dot add 1.9. You can represent these elements also 1, 1.9, 3, 7, 11, 21 and -1. Now integer value, positive values are there, negative values are there and decimal values are there. Now the next concept is use of in and not in operator. Suppose you have to check whether the element lie inside the set or not. Then what to do? Print. Suppose I write 2 in A like this. Let us check the output. It's false. What is the meaning of false? It means 2 is absent in this set. You can write 2 is present in set A like this. Two is present in the set A, false. Suppose I write print two is absent in set A like this. Suppose I am writing like this. Then I can write 2 not in A. Let us execute again. 2 is present in the set, false. 2 is absent in the set, it's true. Similarly, you can check for other elements. Let us try print. Suppose I write -1 is present in set A, then -1 in A. Let us execute the program. -1 is present in set A, it's true. Similarly, you can check for decimal elements. Print 1.9 is present in set A. You can write here 1.9 in A and execute the program. 1.9 is present in set A, it's true. It's all about use of in and not in operator. It's point number 4. Now how to delete an element from a set. For that, you can write remove function a dot remove. Suppose I write here 1. Then print a comma A. Now print the set A after removing 1. You can see 1 is removed from this set. Here 1, 1.9, 3, 7, 11, 21 and -1. Now 1 is removed from the set. Similarly, you can remove any other element. Remove 1.9. Then again copy and paste. Again display the values of A. 1.9 is not there in the set. It's all about how to remove the elements or how to delete an element from a set. Next one is copy all the elements of one set into another set. Suppose we have to copy the elements from one into another, that B is the new set A dot copy, then print the elements of B you can see all the elements are same as that of set A 3, 7, 11, 21 and minus 1, 3, 7, 11, 21 and minus 1. As the elements are represented in unordered form, that's why elements are like this. Next one is how to delete all the elements from the set. Suppose I write here B dot clear. Now print again the elements of set B. You can see there is no element in set B now. But if I print the elements of set A, all the elements of set A remain as it is, because I copy all the elements of set A into set B and then delete all the elements of set B. Hope you understand the content. Let us repeat the content I explained in this video. First of all, definition of set. Then what is the meaning of union and what is the meaning of intersection. In next videos, I will discuss about how to calculate union and intersection of the set. Declaration of set in this video, how to add the elements, how to check whether it's a set or not, use of in and not in operator, how to delete an element from a set, and how to copy all the elements of one set into another, and how to delete all the elements from the set. Hope you understand the concept of sets. It's the basic video of set. In the next video, I will discuss more about set theory.